These two Ankara airdrop style will make your life easier. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can achieve these two beautiful Ankara airdrop. So guys, I am going to be making use of my 2 yards Ankara fabric. Yes guys, so I take the Ankara fabric on the shorter length, which is going to be the width, and tie it at the back. And then I'm going to be using my breadth, my length, to achieve the hack by going from front to back. And then I'm going to be gathering pleat as I go. It's going to be a rough pleat. It's not going to be a super tight pleat. It's just going to be a rough pleat. So let me get my hair out of the way, because I don't want to tuck my hair in. I actually want my hair to show at the back. So I'm just gathering some rough pleat to achieve a arc, like height, to give my gele material, my gele style arc as much as I can achieve. Just pay attention guys, see how I'm doing it. You will get this style. It is super easy. I am telling you, if you don't try it, you will not know how easy it is. Remember, it is operation do it yourself era. Don't let anybody do shakara for you. Say, I don't have time to tie gele for you. No, learn it so that you can be able to do it yourself when next you have a need for gele head wrap. And my goal here is to make sure that the door face is facing inward while the bride face is facing outward. And as you can see, I just roll the end of it and tuck it in. And guys, see how beautiful this Ankara airdrop looks like. Super easy. And guess what? I did not use a single pin to achieve this. So I'm just removing some rough ends because this material wasn't sewn at the end. It's just the way it comes from the market, divided portion. So it has some thread sticking out. I'm just taking it off. Now I let my hair down at the back. Super simple, super portable, and very beautiful and easy to achieve. What do you think about this round Ankara airdrop gele? Isn't this simple? Isn't this beautiful? See how my hair is dazzling at the back, and I lift it up in such a way that it shows the baby hair of my head. And that's it for that first style, guys. So the same base that we use for the first style, we are going to be transforming it into another unique and beautiful style. See how I gather that rough ends of the Ankara, because I don't want it to be sticking out. So I'm just going to gather that rough end and use a hair tie to hold it in place. Now I am going to arrange my Ankara fabric and fold it inward. You see the way I fold it inward? My goal is to get a triangular shape arc that I can use as the arc of my next gele. I want something more higher than the round one that we achieved in the first place. So I'm going to be giving some volume to this airdrop style. For people that like their gele to be high, to be pronounced, this style is going to be for you. And see, after tucking it in with the ear tie, I take the hack to the side and use a long pin with a ball head to secure it in place. Oh my god, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Then I open up the flare of that Ankara to make sure it really form a hacky hack. Yes, I want my hack to be very round but more elevated than that round style that we achieved in the first style. So I just use my pin to secure it at both ends. Voila, guys, we are done. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, isn't this beautiful, guys? For those of you looking for high hacky gele, isn't this beautiful? This is super simple, this is super easy and super beautiful. I love it. I hope you love it as well. If you do, and this is what the back looks like, if you do enjoy this super easy DIY tutorial, don't forget to share. I love you all.